Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. I've tried to record today's video a couple of times, and I have not been able to because every time I click over, there it goes again. So if you have not seen, I did a live stream on Free Code Camp. So I'm not going to be doing the 1 hour live streams Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm going to be doing a 2-hour live stream one day every Tuesday, a 2-hour live stream every Tuesday, and then I'll also still be doing my daily videos Monday through Friday. So I've tried to wrap my head around and get focused and do today's video, but I have been unable to do that because I have been blown away by the amount of support, the amount of views, the amount of new subscribers, amount of new Twitter followers, GitHub. So I just wanted to take a second to welcome everybody here to the channel who has joined, because the subscriber count is a little off on YouTube. They're having some technical issues. It's around 270, 280 new subscribers today. So I'm just absolutely blown away. I really can't fathom it. But we're gonna be, the plan is continuing on, kind of starting over. So if you had not had a chance to watch some of the live streams, I think there were 8 of them, maybe 7, I lose track. So we're going to be starting over. So we've already gone, and there was actually some other stuff in there today that we, because I'm always rethinking and retooling, and like I said, working on the book and those things alike. So today was very cool. For those of you who are watching this, who were there today, thank you very much. Like I said, been very blown away by all the new subscribers today. Have been having a hard time focusing. But I just want to tell you guys thank you, welcome, and I promise tomorrow we will continue on with our Django. But like I said, I've been very unable to focus since this morning. Blown away that the video is already at 24,000 views. Really can't. It's very humbling. So thank you to everybody who has watched, who was in the live stream, and especially all the new subscribers. Like I said, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. We'll be working on our Django and going from there. So promise tomorrow we'll have a Django video and then finish out the week. So as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm extremely humbled, and we'll just see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.